Hello, in front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the middle button and keep holding it for 5 to 10 seconds basically. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. And after the watch vibrates, you can release the button, and after a second or two, as you can see, you should be back on the watch face. And this means that the soft, or rather, force restart is complete. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.